If you spent much time at all working in Squarespace's editor, you know that every little click adds up over time to really either slow down or speed up your workflow. Squarespace has made several little tweaks to their workflow within the Squarespace editor to speed things up over the years that have been very welcome additions, and this one's no different. And it's the ability to right click in the editor to speed up your workflow. Hi, I'm Bryan with Abound Web Design, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to show you all the different things that you can do with the right click function within the editor of Squarespace. So let's head over to my screen and we'll jump into it. Okay, like usual, we're here in my demo website. And first of all, let me tell you about what this is not. So if you right click and you're not in the editor, you're going to get the normal, like whatever browser you're in, it's right click menu. You have to make sure that you're in edit mode, you're in the editor. And then once you are, now you can right click and you're going to get, depending on what you right click on, you're going to get different prompts. So when I right clicked, then I just right clicked in the section. So I'm going to get the quick actions for this section there. I can duplicate the section, save it to the site or to the account. I can arrange this, move it down because this is the top section. I could move it up or down if I was in another section down below, or I can show the grid. That's one of those that's probably just as easy to just click the G on your keyboard. But you saw that there as well, like it shows that's what the keyboard shortcut is there. And then now if I was to click on a text block, I was to right click it, you see the same things that you see up here. You can copy it, you can duplicate it, delete, and then this is arranging it in the stack, whether you're moving it backward, forward, that type of thing. And then this is handy here to be able to hide on desktop or hide on mobile. So I'm on desktop right now. I can click to hide this on mobile. And then if we go over to the mobile version, you'll see that's not there now. And then like, for example, this, I could right click on it and hide it on desktop. And we'll go back over to desktop and you'll see that's not there anymore. So again, this is what was missing from the mobile. And then this is what was missing from the desktop. So I'm going to say show on desktop there and then go back to desktop and right click on this and say show on mobile, and then you'll see that's back. And we would probably want to move that, we'll adjust that later. That's not the point of this video, but there's different options there. Let's see if there's right clicking a button, same thing, same options as what you saw on the other, hide on desktop, hide on mobile, the arrange, the delete, duplicate. So anyhow, that's one of the things that Squarespace has added it may be just small little increments that it's saving you of time, but we all know that those add up over time and really help speed things up. If you're spending a ton of time in the editor on Squarespace working, it can make a big difference. So anyhow, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace content like this. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.